Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to discuss about neuroscience and artificial intelligence. How neuroscience and artificial intelligence they are clubbing together and they are bringing revolution in the human history. So how they are going to change our human history. Before that, theologians, religious people, they believe whatever you have in your mind, nobody can know. But now, neuroscience, it is able to see what is happening in your mind. So, how neuroscience and artificial intelligence they are clubbed together. They they are joined together and they are able to know what is happening in the brain. So they have prepared some scanner like fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging. So in 1990, round about 1990 and 1991, neuroscientists they started working on MRI, magnetic resonance imaging techniques. So what neuroscientists do, they take the persons and they just make him lie down on scanner. So what happened, they take the scan of the person. So whatever he is thinking, whatever his thoughts and perceptions, so whatever he is thinking and reflecting, that will be shown in the form of the images. So let's consider you are watching movie. So in right side you are watching movie, and through fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging techniques, scientists are able to see whatever happening in your brain. So you are just imagining certain pictures in your mind, and scientists are able what kind of images you are seeing in your you are just imagining in your mind. They can scan your brain, and after scanning they can even see whatever you're thinking, how many circuits in your brain they are working. So it is usually considered in human mind 65,000 circuit they are active in per second. So scientists, especially neuroscientists, they are able to club neuroscience and artificial intelligence together. So clubbing both sciences together, they are going to create a human champion. No, computer is going to turn into human champions. So what computer will be able to do, it can scan your brain and it can tell you whatever you are thinking. Scientists, they have prepared sophisticated models. Whatever you're thinking, whatever you're feeling, whatever you're reflecting, whether you are introvert or extrovert kind of personality, or you are suffering from attention deficit disorders, or like other disorder you are suffering, they people are able to come to know through these machines, especially through these scanners. They just put you in certain scanners, and after that they will be scanning, and even they can watch movies whatever going on in your brain. If they take any persons and they just place around about 15 minute in a scanner, they are able whatever you're thinking, whatever you're reflecting, whatever your perception, whether you're an introvert or extrovert, what kind of your thoughts, everything they can imagine, and you will say, oh my god, what is happening with me, everything I'm thinking, everything I am in my head, and whatever in my brain, they people are able to know, and they can even translate line by line whatever I am thinking. So this is really a great revolution in the field of neuroscience as well as computer technology. Now technology is gonna turn itself into human champions. So one thing more, you can even neuroscientists, they are able to know your reflection, your thought, your perception, your way of thinking, your way of behaving, whether you are introvert or extrovert, what kind of personality you are suffering, whether you have some attention deficit or disorder, in especially in your brain, you have some problem, you have some aphasia kind of problems, everything can be judged, can be, you can observed through all these technology, especially scanners like MRI and then fMRI. So this is what known as functional magnetic resonance imaging machines. So they are able to know what kind of person you are, what are you thinking. So no, you people are no more able to hide yourself, because computer technology along with artificial intelligence, it is going to revolutionize the human life. Now humans are no more able to hide whatever they want to hide in their mind. So stay blessed, have a nice time. If you have any question related to neuroscience, or you want to know any idea related to neuroscience and artificial intelligence, write it down. I will comment, I will give you answer of your comments. Stay blessed.